Welcome back. Inside of Canvas, we do have elements on the right side, and we can open up this panel. And when we hover over the right side panel, you're going to see, as of the recording of this video, 5 icons with 5 different functions. One of the first functions that you can see is that ChatGPT will suggest edits to the document that we have put together. We can click on this icon, and we can then allow ChatGPT to suggest edits. To get ChatGPT to undertake this, we can click on the arrow, and ChatGPT will start the edit suggestion process. And ChatGPT will begin working on our document. On the left side, ChatGPT will tell you when it actually added to our document. What you'll notice, you'll see the addition. You'll also see why ChatGPT made the addition that it did. You can choose to apply it, or you can delete it. You can move on to the next comment. You can look at the comment. You can look at the highlight. You can decide whether or not you want to keep it or whether you want to apply it. And you can do this with each of the elements. For the sake of this video, we're going to apply the elements. We're going to click on the next element and apply it. We're going to click on the next element and apply it. We're going to click on the first element and apply it. So we've now made all of the changes suggested to us by ChatGPT in Canvas. And we should have a strengthened document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.